Alright, now, part 4. Welcome back to your new members area. Real quickly, I just want to say how truly grateful I am to spend this time with you. If you've made it to this video, then I sincerely and wholeheartedly, in the most genuine expression that I can, I deeply thank you for you being here with me and continuing to invest your time with me. So let's continue moving on. Pen and paper at the ready. Something to take notes with here. Just going to go over it really quickly because there's a lot of training with what I'm about to discuss here later on in the course anyway. But Foundation Part 4 is the actual trading with scorecards, because what we just covered is how to use that with your continued learning when it comes to trading. But what about the actual trading itself? The scorecard, the foundation that we had a look at in the previous video was, we have the scorecard, we check off the tasks, we review our progress and achieve our desired goal. So we have that covered. We create the personal scorecard. Every day we do the activities and we tick it off. We reflect at the end of the week, see how that, how we're tracking, which is our discrepancy, and are we progressing towards our goal, right? So we have that. Remember the results. Should have this written down. Remember the results. The end result was to have fun. Enjoy the process, please. There's a wonderful feeling when we progress towards that which we want to attain by doing those certain things in certain ways and checking those off. It's a really, really good feeling. So all I want to express here is enjoy the journey, enjoy the process in becoming that which you want to become. An independent, profitable trader is the number one end result that we want to have. Okay, so we remember that. The advanced stages, the 1, 2, 3, 4 of the advanced stages was 100 trades, and we need to know if that has a positive expectancy. Okay, so knowing that your strategy actually works, it's a winning system. And then number 3, we review that. And then number 4, we revise the trade plan, right? Because you need a trade plan to begin with in order to start testing your strategy and start recording your trades and collecting the data so you can tune up. Then we revise that into a live trade plan, because that's something that you're going to follow every single day with daily disciplines. Okay, so we have the advanced stages, we have our 4 steps. The actual back testing itself, what I'm about to show you with the scorecard in terms with back testing here, is a very aggressive approach straight away. So with this example, let us take a look at what can be accomplished within the 3 to 6 month time period for commitment in taking action and being persistent with discipline. Talked about that in video 1 and 2. So month 1, in the first month of backtesting, you've reached the minimum of 100 trades. Now, it may take others more time than that. What I'm doing here is talking about a very aggressive approach. You're all in. You're spending all your time on this, right? Month 2, we're looking at double what we accomplished with, which is 250 trades tested. So in the first month, you got 100 trades. In month 2, you got 250 trades. And in month 3, we have a total of 375 trades in our back testing spreadsheet. So we're using a spreadsheet. That's our software that we're using to log trades, right? The scorecard looks like this when it comes to actual trading itself. So we have our week 1, 2, 3, and 4 on the left-hand side, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Now this is our backtesting scorecard. The other one we looked at was study and learning. So we practice all the training material that's inside the members area that you have access to. Now this is the actual trading itself. So record 5 trades a day into the spreadsheet, right? Let's say that you learnt price action and you learnt a strategy, a trend trading strategy, right? You know the rules of the trend trading strategy from doing the training inside the members area. Now you have a scorecard here and you say, right, I want to collect 5 trades a day into my spreadsheet, because we know that we need a minimum of 100 trades, right? To know that, hey, is that strategy, the way I tested it, profitable? That's it. That's what we want to know. So on Monday, you record 5 trades. Tuesday, another 5 trades. Wednesday, 5. Thursday, 5. Friday, 5. So every single day, you recorded 5 trades. Could take 15 minutes, 20 minutes, or 30 minutes, okay? Going through the charts. Drawing up your strategy, your entry, stops, and targets, and recording that trade into your spreadsheet. So 5 trades a day. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And then week 2, you do the same thing. So you do this over and over and over, and at the end of the month, now this is not counting Saturday and Sunday. I don't know what that looks like for many people. But let's say Monday to Friday, 5 trades a day, okay? You have 125 trades. This is a scorecard that you use to hold you accountable for your actions. Now, I said this in the previous video. It's a visual look of how you are tracking your progress. What we can't track, we can't measure. What we can't measure, we can't improve upon. It's important I say that. So this is our backtesting scorecard, and those are the daily activities that we're doing every single day. So here's what the formula looks like. And it's quite simple. Simple formula. We have to fund a live account and start trading the markets live is as follows. It's a 5-step process here. We log the trades, we filter the trades, we do our tune-up, we review it, and then we trade live. That's it. And all we need is, in the bottom left here, you can see 100 plus. We need 100 trades. It has to have a PE above 0, a positive expectancy above 0. And the end result is us being able to trade live and being a consistent, independent, profitable trader. Remember, that's the end result that we want. So backtesting, session times, tune-up, review, and trade live. That's it. Real quick on positive expectancy. What is it? So it basically tells us that what we are trading wins more than it loses. That's why I say it's a winning system. After collecting up to 100 plus trades, minimum, more the better. Can't stress that enough. More data, the more accurate our results will be. So after 100 trades, we now have the right amount of data to indicate if it's a profitable strategy. With a simple color, a green or red box. That's it. If we have a green box, it's a winning system. If we have a red box, then we have a losing system. More data, the more accurate we can get with our trading and the strategy that we chose to go with. So that's what positive expectancy is. Let's go over the secret to trading that no one discusses, or no one advertises, or no one markets, because let's face it, it's, this is not sexy, and it's not what a lot of people want to see when it comes to advertising or marketing in the Forex industry. It's all about profits, quickly, get rich here and do this and trade that bot, and which is all fluff. It's nonsense. This is the reality. that no one wants to pay attention to. No one wants to put in the work. And it's often the most neglected because it's mundane, tedious, and annoying to the majority. And a note to make here, only the true professionals do this, by the way. SMB Capital is probably one of the most successful, well-known prop firms, right? They do this, professionals do this, and the majority of those who struggle to make it in trading don't do this. Then that indicates to us it's worth paying attention to. Because what does that tell you? This is the make or break when it comes to trading. This is what's going to determine whether you actually succeed at this or you don't. And it's what we just covered. Backtesting. Log your trades inside the backtesting tab. Session times. Filter through the session times that you are available to be in. Right? So when are you actually able to be in front of your computer and be in the live markets and actually trade? Your data will tell you that. Tune up 100 trades that are available in your session time. Does it have a positive expectancy above zero? Is it a winning system or a losing system? Review and trade. So review and build, that was revise, your live trade plan. Then fund a live account and trade for profits. That's the secret. The live trade plan. So on the left-hand side, you've got all your backtesting data. In the middle, you have your money management that you apply to that, and then you have that revised trade plan. After you have a live trade plan, you trade that plan with discipline every single day. That's it. Revise trade plan to go trade live and gain profits. Now, this is great. It's a good journey to have. This is a great process here. Let's go back to the timeline. We start, we have our aim, and the end result was to be profitable. So making consistent profitable returns in the markets. After you do all of those steps, this is where you're going to be. Now, the time in which you can achieve that is going to be different for everyone. But on average, it's going to take some time to get there, okay? This is an entirely new profession for you. I mentioned that before. It's going to take you time. It's going to take work. It's going to take discipline. It's going to take consistent daily actions. Remember, it's persistence that is going to get you there. So go back in your notes and you can see why that was so important to cover and go over and build and put together. That's why it's important. Because to get here, it's going to take a bit of work. But you can, you must, and you will get there. I have absolute certainty that if you follow these steps, you will arrive there. So then you become a professional. You'll be a professional trader. Let's just take a real quick look at what that looks like. So here on the left-hand side, we've got our start tracker. We have our session times that we tested. Sydney, Tokyo, London, New York. The time frames we tested. So we have a 15-minute, 1 hour, and 4 hour. The targets we tested. And then all we do from here is tune up and review. Right? That's it. Sessions, time frames, and targets on said strategy. We know that if we traded the Sydney and Tokyo session here in Australia, where I am, on the 1 hour time frame with target 1 and target 2 for our strategy, we can see from our data in front of us that we have a winning system. Yes, we can all see that. So what does that look like? What are the expectations here? Again, it's going to be different for everyone. An overlook at what to expect when going through the training and what you will achieve from investing in you, your energy, time, and commitment. In the first 3 months, it's about learning the material correctly. As we covered before, it's doing certain things in certain ways, and that's why we lay it out the way we do. After that, we focus on building a trade plan and look to test your knowledge and skills to build a portfolio to trade with. From month 4 to 6, we want to test your strategies. So that's collecting data, that's logging your trades. And then know that said strategy has a positive expectancy. Then trade live, which is that's why I showed you the previous diagram before. That's what it's going to look like. And here are the expectations. Yes. So I don't want to make this video longer than it should. Where you're expected to arrive at, again, everyone is going to be different, some quicker, some not, depending on where you are at in life. But here is an opportunity, and take that opportunity and go all in 100% and give it everything you've got. The education is where we start now. So we're ready to hit the education area. Now that you're ready, willing, and able, it's time to get to the training itself. And I want you to download the slides. So that's number 1, download the slides and workbooks that you have access to. Number 2, click on the education tab, right, which is near the Star Live trading video stream. And then number 3 is watch the Star Education video, as you can see on the left hand side. So click on that one and watch that to prepare for the training you're about to get involved with. Welcome to your dashboard. When you log in next time, don't click on the left hand side. You've already done the foundation here. You've got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So congratulations on coming this far and doing all of that. I'm really proud of you. Next time you log in, click on the right button to skip the foundation and jump right into your training. From here, you'll go over everything that you need in order to get you where you want to be. Again, congratulations. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to spend time with you. If you have any questions at all or need to reach out to me, remember there's a live chat on the bottom right hand side of your screen there in the members area, or you have my email. Reach out to me and I'll get back in touch with you and help you wherever I can. All right. So I'll see you inside the education material. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you soon and see you in the Star Live trading room, London Market Open. Until then, be safe, enjoy life. I'll talk to you soon.